Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday. And today we have Rowdy Energy Power Burn Mango Dragonfruit. Sounds pretty good. Let's look at the important factoids here. We got ourselves 5 little calories, 40 milligrams of sodium. We got ourselves 2 grams of carbohydrates. We got 424 milligrams of potassium, 10.8 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.9 milligrams of niacin, 0.2 milligrams of B6, 0.29 micrograms of B12, 38 milligrams of magnesium, and 160 milligrams of caffeine. Whoa. Nice. Let's see, this is supposed to help you burn 135 calories by drinking it.
Okay.
I'll do both.
Let's see if it works. I think the mango and dragon fruit's a really good idea. So,
yep.
That dragon fruit's
Ooh, smells good.
Anything you put mango in, yeah.
That's pretty good.
That's unique.
Yeah, definitely dragon fruit coming out pretty good there. That's a good mixture. I like it. You just a little hit a mango.
Woo!
Yeah.
It needed to be colder, didn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't on the ice.
Oh, bummer. Wow.
Yeah.
It's got some punch.
It's good.
I like.
Nice, even, sweet, but a little bit of sour in there. That is a very good taste of drink.
There's a bit of dragon fruit in it.
This dragon fruit gets you that sour, but it's also kind of sweet. That's good.
The actual physical dragon fruit is kind of weird looking. That's a cool one.
That's very tasty. I like it. Yeah.
Even the body armor's got their own dragon fruit variety.
Right.
Kind of cool.
That is very tasty.
It's good. Cool.
But yeah, nice tongue cleansing, nice no aftertaste. Get a little bit of the bubblies, and nice and even. You don't get too much mango, you don't get too much dragon fruit, and it's nice in between on the sweet and the little bit of sour and tart in there. So that's definitely really good.
Even having some mango in it, it's like straight.
Yeah, it always gets to the top of this or D392 because that's definitely one you should try out. That's pretty good. So really cool. So power burn from Rowdy. Those have tasted good so far. I like them.
Another winner from the Rowdy.
Okie dokie, guys. Make sure you try that out because that is pretty good and only 5 little calories in there. So we will see you guys here next time. Bye bye.